This is Grønevika Badestrand. Nice little beach, 1 hour away from the center in Bergen. And now it's 5:15 p.m. and most of the beach is actually covered by shadow. There is also a big, large sunny part. The water looks amazing actually, and there are also rocks on that side. And yes, this is my last beach that I visit here in Bergen before I head off to the airport directly after the swim, because my flight is in 2.5 hours, the departure, so I need to be there earlier than that. Let's see if I'm gonna make it. But now let's enjoy this last swim here in Bergen. So this is Grønevika Badestrand, and let's embrace this nice, beautiful place here. So let's go together on 3, 2, 1. Now that was a very long, unusual dive, but I think it was worth it because this is my last dip in the North Sea, and I think I have chosen the right beach to end my beach adventures here in Bergen. Obviously I did also some sightseeing in the 2.5 days I was here. So yes, that's a wrap from Grønevika Badestrand here in Bergen, and make sure to tune in for some more beach adventures on my channel coming in soon. So greetings from Grønevika Badestrand in Bergen, Norway.